perfection will kill your channel. And honestly, I feel like it's on the way to killing my channel. Listen, when I tell you, I feel like this is happening to me right now. So if you would like to know how to not kill your channel, then please do listen, please do stick around. If I'm rambling on too much, then please put this video on ×2 speed so that you can breeze through along it. But make sure you watch and listen to the entirety of this video because it will all make sense in the end. So if you're new to my channel, number one, hi. Number two, I don't usually film in my car. I usually film in my minimalistic room. It's white, clean, aesthetic, kind of plain background. So why am I filming in my car today, and why is it such a big deal, and what does this have to do in relation to killing your channel? Okay, so to answer this question, I'm going to have to explain my current circumstance. So when you guys see me record and post my videos and you see the room I'm in, that's actually not my bedroom. That is just a spare room in my aunt's house that I use to film, work, edit in peace and quiet, basically. I come from a medium-sized family where home life can get pretty hectic. I mean, it's really fun sometimes, especially when you have younger siblings, but when it comes down to doing work in a full house, living at home at 26 years old, when it comes down, it really comes down to it. It's like it's hard to concentrate. So my aunt kindly allows me to go and film at her place because basically no one is there and I can work in peace and quiet and just focus on my work and pursue my passion of content creation, YouTube and all of that. Outside of that, 70% of the time I'm either doing chores, running errands, doing something for someone, taking someone somewhere, because when you're one of the only people that can drive in your house, you are sent literally everywhere to do something. So yes, I am very busy with home life, but I try to balance doing my own thing with family life. So yes, I'm basically back and forth between my aunt's place and home and my aunt's place. Right now, I'm not at my aunt's place because she has some visitors and someone staying over, so obviously, I will give her her free space in her house to host her people. And I hate to admit it, but I have been using my circumstance as an excuse to not film. I'm like, I can't film at home. It's too busy. It's too hectic. I don't have anywhere to sit down and film because my room is not aesthetic. I share a bedroom with other people, so I can't always have my private time to film the content I want to film. On top of that, I am currently based in Zambia, if you haven't noticed. That's why my phone is overheating and it's really hot. Unfortunately for me, the moment I decide I want to be consistent on YouTube is when our country decides to have an energy crisis and we basically have blackouts, no power, no electricity for sometimes over 20 hours per day. Things are really bad, especially if you don't have backup power. Luckily, my household does have backup power, but it's not always reliable and it doesn't always last that long. So that's kind of how I've been getting by, plus my power bank. So my ability to work online and be consistent with my videos has been severely affected, and I have been more than happy to sit and use that as excuse to not post my videos. Then I had a moment yesterday when I was like, I don't know how long this crisis is going to last, and I don't know how long I won't be able to film in my usual comfort zone. I can't live like this. I cannot let my circumstances dictate my passions and my goals and where I'm going to go in life. If I want to pursue something, or if you want to pursue something, then do not let anything stop you. I just thought to myself, I have a car. I have a car that I worked hard for with my Etsy digital product business. If you want to check out my Etsy digital products playlist, I will link it below. But yes, I worked hard for this car. I worked hard for every single pound that paid for this car. I can use this car to sit and film my videos. I don't know why I've never thought of this before. So many people sit and film their videos in their car. My biggest inspiration right now is a YouTuber called, okay, I don't know her actual name, but her YouTube handle is Doe Dash. Her videos are so real, so raw. She films whenever and however she can. She just gets the job done, and I have found that so inspiring. Not me just sitting around and waiting for these stars to align, for everything to be perfect, for my background to be aesthetic, for me to be personally ready to sit and film a video. No more making excuses. Perfection will kill your channel. I cannot tell you how heartbreaking and heart crushing it is to see my YouTube analytics start to pick up pace. If you don't know, I already took a 1 year break and my YouTube analytics went all the way down. I will link that video if you're interested in checking that out. And I was feeling the same thing happening where you let little excuses stop you from creating content. But at the end of the day, you are only holding yourself and your potential back. I made a promise to my subscribers and to myself that I am back and I'm going to be consistent and give you guys content. So who am I kidding if I am just making excuses? I have a car, I have a microphone, I have a power bank, I have a smartphone, I have access to the internet. I can film and post, film, edit, post and repeats, and you will reach your goals. I am trying to get monetized. That is my #1 goal on this channel. I've already monetized 2 YouTube channels before this, and I believe I can do it a third time. But I know from my experience that that does not happen without consistency. If you are also in the same rut, in the same cycle of making excuses and not posting content, then please use this video as inspiration or share this to someone who needs to hear this message. Get the job done. Perfection will kill your channel if you are not careful. YouTube, especially for small creators, is not one of those places where you can be inconsistent. The more consistent you are, the more you are giving out. The algorithm can look for your people, look for your audience. You can just get better and better as a person, as a creator, if you are consistent. I can't sit here and say that I want to get monetized, I want to build a community, I want to go far in my YouTube creator journey. I can't sit and do that if I'm making excuses over circumstances that, yes, I can't control. Like, I don't have my own place right now. I live at home, but I have a car. I have these blessings around me that I can use. I have resources that I can put into action to help me achieve the goals I want to achieve. There are no excuses. So if you are being a little bit lazy about your channel, be real with yourself. What can you realistically do to grow your channel and to hit your goals? Let me know in the comments below. What are you struggling with? What are you going to do to solve those problems? Guys, I think I am done rambling for today. My phone is overheating. Bless its little heart, I guess. I don't know. Do phones have hearts? Whatever mechanical thing helps me record this video, bless that little microchip, because my phone has really put in work. It has crashed twice now and I've had to take a break to let it cool down. I will see you in my next video and I wish you all the best with your YouTube journeys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.